This video is going to dive into a case study to showcase what information can be attained using IPscreener's Creative Studio. We're researching food delivery drones. The first thing that it does is that it shows me this grid with relevant patterns. I'm gonna go ahead and like all of the patterns that stand out to me. As you can see here, we got pizza cooking delivery drones, much like I had asked for in my prompt. It's also showing me robotic sidewalk vehicles that can be used to deliver food. For that reason, I'm going to go ahead and ask it to make a comparison of food delivery drones versus robotics. It's made me a comparison, and it's telling me that there are some regulatory differences at play, making it harder to launch drones as opposed to robotics. I'm curious, who are the players driving innovation in this field? It's pointing out Zume, Domino's Pizza, Uber Technologies, Shinsung University and Walmart, alongside some others like Drone Delivery Systems Corp. I'm going to go ahead and ask it to make a cost analysis. Here it breaks down the estimated development and implementation costs, patent by patent. If I press on an image, the AI will analyze the image and tell me what it shows. Next, I'm going to ask it for a market analysis. Here it points out that the market for time-sensitive items, such as pharmaceuticals, is higher than the one for restaurants, which it still deems as significant. Next, I want to know what countries are driving innovation in this field. It's telling me that the countries driving innovation are USA with the most patents, South Korea with significant patent activity, China with some growing activity, and Germany with some patent activity. Now, since it showed me USA twice, if I wanted to modify this, I can easily download this into a Word document, make the edits I want to make, and then perhaps present it as I see fit. Now, if I ask it about trends, it mentions drop systems and package delivery. It also points out that disaster evacuation and emergency responses is a growing trend. Apparently, drones are being used to guide people to safety using maps and instructions. I'm going to ask it to make a new report including my favorite items, and if at any point I want to have a closer look at any of the patents, I can read through them individually and find them in the top right corner of the screen. Finally, I'm going to ask it if it thinks that there is a future where food delivery drones double as disaster information drones based on that trend that it showed me earlier. It concludes that the technological overlap are significant and that this would be a strategically sound evolution of existing technology with a strong foundation in patent data. Thanks for watching.